Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Easter Goofy. So first we're going to get started with the hats. On the left and right hand side we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom. And then starting back on the top we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. And then we'll move down below and replicate that on the bottom. Moving up above for the hat again, stepping further in, we're going to draw another diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then again, we're just going to close that off on the top with another straight line. And then moving down, let's replicate that again. Now coming up in the middle for the ear, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same on the left, arching this line all the way around and then back in on the bottom. Stepping in towards the middle, let's replicate that. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the left. Now moving down for the body, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing, moving over on the right, blending that in on the bottom. Now for the ears on both sides, we're going to arch this line around and then back up. Now in the middle, let's draw in a straight line across. Moving up, let's draw in a sideways oval. Now moving up above the nose, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then again from here, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now let's move up for the eyes. So on the left-hand side, let's arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same as we move over on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another arch line. And leaving a small gap, let's replicate that on the right. Now towards the top, we're going to draw in an oval. Moving down for the bow tie now, we're going to draw in a circle in the center. On the right, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same over on the left. And then we're just going to curve this line out. Coming underneath, let's draw in the letter V. And then coming out on the bottom, let's replicate that again. Now from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the top. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back out. And then again, just drawing in another diagonal line in towards the middle. And then dropping below this, we're just going to draw in two small circles. And that is it. That's how you draw Easter Goofy. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.